welcome back to my channel. My name is Irene and I have a fashion and beauty blog and a YouTube channel, Gingham and Sparkle, and I am back today with another one of those what I'm loving at the moment videos. I don't know really what they're called. Basically what I've bought, what I'm using and what I'm enjoying at the moment, bar maybe one thing, but we'll get to that. But yes, those of you that have been following me for a while, you probably noticed this is a bit of a different background. I'm currently in Ireland at the moment, in my home country, in Galway, on holidays. Well, actually here for the whole summer, because everyone tries to get out of Dubai for the summer because it's too hot, and it's great to be home with the family and be with my own family and friends. And yeah, so this is my home and this is my bedroom in Galway. And yeah, it's a little bit more kind of YouTubey, but I have all the lights going on, and you know, I mean, just call me Zoella basically. But yes, currently we're in between showers at the moment. The weather's a bit crazy. Ireland is, you know, 4 seasons in one day, so yeah, that's basically what we're having at the moment. So I thought today was a good day to sit down and get some filming done. Plus I'm also using a brand new camera, which I'll link the details below. It's the Canon Powershot G7X. So I've done a lot of research on YouTube and whatnot, and asking my friends who are also YouTubers, and yeah, this is the camera that a lot of people seem to enjoy and easy to use, and yeah, it's perfect for what I need right now, and I'm really enjoying that. So that is something that I am enjoying. I can't really show you it because I'm using it to film, but I'll put the details below. But yes, I can highly recommend it for someone like me who's basically not very good technology wise, and when it comes to reading manuals, and I kind of just go on YouTube or Google it or whatever. But yeah, I know it's so far so good. This is kind of my first proper video using the camera in my room talking about stuff. So yeah, I like the blurry background going on. That's kind of what I was looking for. You know, I'm a bit basic like that. That's all I kind of wanted. So yeah, so next I have to upload it and see how that goes. So let's see. So this is a video just about what I've been buying the past month or two, and what I wanted to show you guys, what's worth maybe investing in, what's worth buying, not buying, that kind of thing. Okay, first up, I want to talk about something that has kind of revolutionized my hair a bit. Basically, my hair is just wrecks my head, basically, pardon the pun. It's hard to control it. It's kind of like wavy, curly, kind of like that in between. It just, you know, it's hard to tame, it's hard to straighten, it looks dry when it's straightened. What else? It's in bad condition always, I don't know why. And yeah, I just kind of, my hair's been on a bit of a journey lately. I've kind of got it to a better condition, but you know, things like different tools for using on your hair are so important. Conditioning treatments, getting it cut regularly, all that kind of thing is really important, which I've been doing. But yeah, one thing that has really helped is the Dyson hairdryer. I mean, this has been around now for a while. I got it a couple of months ago, and I have to say, this has changed my whole outlook about blow drying my hair straight myself, and you know, styling my own hair, which I've always been absolutely rubbish at. Like, I think I have every sort of hair tool known to man, be it like curling ones and what else, like straightening irons. I've had them all, and I mean, I've never had a proper hair dryer, one that would actually blow dry my hair properly and not give me like a pain in my arm every time. And so yeah, I got the Dyson, and I have to say I am really pleased with it. Basically, it comes with 2 nozzles. This kind of a standard looking one, and this one. Now I've just actually blow dry my hair now, which, you know, look, I'm not an expert, you know, I just know what I can do. And all I've done is use a hairdryer. Before, in the past, I've had hairdryers and I've used them to straighten my hair, but then I've had to get my GHD or my Cloud9 on them and go over it all. This, I just use this. And also this brush, which I bought about a month ago. It's Olivia Garden. And I heard someone mention that they're really good for blow drying, and I wanted something to work in alongside the Dyson. This is really good if you're looking for a good hairbrush to blow dry your hair. But yeah, I have to say the Dyson, amazing. Now, what I love about it is, not only, okay, you have this nozzle, which I've been using the whole time because it gives your hair that nice kind of smooth sheen and makes it nice and straight. But also, if you didn't want to use that, and I love the way it's like a magnetic, like little clasp, everything goes on and comes off easily, and it just clicks in like that, and you have your kind of normal standard one. It also comes with this kind of like a nice, like a mat, which you can just lay the Dyson down, and it prevents, like, it's like an anti-slip mat, which I've also found really good for like laying it down when you're like with the brush and whatever. But yeah, it basically has, it's very easy. And I mean, everyone talks about the noise quality, and it doesn't have that loud hairdryer noise, you know, like a machine or like a washing machine or something. But yeah, I've definitely found that. I found it a lot more quieter than your normal kind of standard hairdryer. In particularly, I use it with the kids and when I'm drying their hair after a bath. And I have to say, it's so much better for their ears, you know? I mean, the whole thing about kids, they say hairdryers, you should not really use hairdryers on kids because of the noise in their ears. This, definitely a lot better, definitely. I mean, that alone, I would recommend it if you're a mom and you kind of, you know, wanting something for the kids and for yourself. A whole family hairdryer, there you go, that's it. But yeah, I'm actually blown away, pardon the pun, with this. I just love how easy it is to use. It's so light. It just doesn't annoy me like other hair dryers. But yeah, I would highly recommend it if you're looking for a good hair dryer. I mean, I've heard the good reviews and the bad reviews about this. I mean, for me, I feel it's left my hair really soft, and just like the fact that I just have to blow dry my hair once, not go over it with the straightening irons, is huge for me. So yeah, number one item I'm really happy with at the moment, the Dyson hairdryer. Definitely recommend it. In fact, if it ever broke, I'd be straight back to the shops to get another one. Absolutely love it. Next up I'm going to chat about is Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, everyone knows, everyone's a fan of Charlotte Tilbury. She just opened a brand new shop in Dubai, actually. So I'm dying to go and have a look at it when I get back. So everyone's been going on about this flawless filter, and I was dying to get it and everything. And I purchased it in Galway here in Brand Thomas a few weeks ago. I got shade number 2, which is quite light. I thought when the girl started showing me the sample, she said, "You're number 2." I thought, oh, it's a bit light, isn't it? But I have to say, amazing product. I'm just enjoying using it on its own. At the moment, I have it on with the Charlotte Tilbury foundation, which I have, the Magic foundation, which I've always used, and I actually really like this foundation. And I put it on just over it, so I don't know if you can see, it kind of gives this like really nice dewy kind of sheen to your skin without looking like a sweaty Betty, I suppose. So it's like for a superstar youth glow, which, yeah, I mean, I definitely feel I look so much kind of brighter with it on. I've been using it a lot with just on its own with no makeup and maybe a bit of tinted moisturizer or SPF or a bit of blusher, and I have to say it really makes a difference to my skin. It just gives it a nice glow without looking like, as I said, like really shiny that you need to put powder on. I just love it. It's like, I'm actually thinking about getting another shade. There's a couple of shades, like depending on your skin tone, but I'm really enjoying this and really love it for with or without makeup, as a nice kind of addition to your, I suppose, makeup routine or skincare routine. But yeah, Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, definitely something I'm enjoying. I'm glad I bought it, and I will definitely repurchase this. Okay, let's move on to some fake tan. I'm also another big fan of fake tan. I need fake tan. The sun hates me. It doesn't matter if it's beautiful sunbathing weather, I'll go out, sit there, go a bit red, then go white again. So I don't tan very easily. And so a friend of mine actually, hi Simone, just put me onto this fake tan that you can buy here in Ireland, Bondi Sands. Now, I haven't seen this in Dubai, like I haven't been able to buy it, so I'm definitely going to stock up. I've got the mousse, this is it's the ultra dark, and then Simone actually let me know about this liquid gold. They are fab. I mean, I've used fake tans for years. It's like an essential item for me basically. I'm always dying to try out different ones and see if they work. And this is my current favorite. So easy to use. You basically put it on with a mitt. There's no sticky residue. There's no bad smell. In fact, this actually smells amazing. And it just gives you a nice kind of a nice tan. Now I put the liquid gold on me last night, and it's just very natural. It's perfect for my skin tone. The ultra dark one I love, and it's really good on me because I've really pale Irish skin, so the darker the better for me. So yeah, I would definitely recommend the Bondi Sands as a fake tan to use for the summer, for whenever. I'll link all the details below, and definitely another repurchase. Moving on to something that I was a little bit disappointed with. Now, most of these products I've all bought since I've been at home, except for the hairdryer. I brought the hairdryer with me because I love it so much, and I just wanted to talk about it because it's so good. But everything else I bought here, so that's why I'm kind of talking about it all while it's fresh in my mind and everything. So this is the Vita Liberata, like a body blur. Now, don't know if you can see that there. Okay, so the body blur is basically like a skin finish, so you can use it on your face or your body. And now, I mean, I thought I'd really enjoy using this maybe along with my moisturizer or maybe some foundation or tinted moisturizer, and it doesn't. I just feel like it's really hard to blend into your skin, and it kind of made me look like I was like dirty. I'm a little bit disappointed about this. I don't think I would buy this again. I mean, it says it's really good for like minimizing blemishes and covering up like imperfections, skin imperfections and all that kind of thing, and maybe like bruises or, you know, just covering things. I didn't find the consistency of it very good, if I'm honest. And it's, yeah, I don't know. I mean, it says instant HD skin finish, but as a finishing cream, I really don't think that this is all it's cracked up to be, really. I mean, I love Vita Liberata as a brand. I like their fake tans. I've used them in the past, and they also have a really nice like bronzing powder. But this, I'll be honest, I was a little bit disappointed with. So yeah, that's my only kind of like, I suppose, little disappointment in my little bunch here. But yeah, that's the Vita Liberata. Okay, moving on to two items that I religiously buy when I'm home every year in the summer, or I mean any time of the year that I'm home. I go in there, first thing I do when I land basically is get to Aldi, and I stock up on the Lacura moisturizers. Now, these are a bit of a cult buy basically these days. I love the caviar, the Lacura caviar range. I mean, some of the products from this range are like as good as the La Prairie. I don't know how to say that word. La Prairie range. That really basically expensive range that kind of looks like these. But a lot of people compare the Aldi Lacura range to that kind of more high-end, luxurious range. And yeah, I've been using these moisturizers for years, and I just love them. I always stock up, and then I get a couple which keep me going in Dubai, because we don't have Aldi in Dubai, unfortunately. And yeah, I mean, so basically the day cream is SPF 15, and the anti-age night cream is a really nice rich kind of a cream which I love for nighttime, and I just can't get enough of them. I mean, they're like less than €10 each, and you just can't go wrong. I mean, I have to say I'm a big Aldi fan. I mean, if I could spend so many hours in there just looking at all the stuff, buying all the alcohol, and I just love their products. I love their food, and I really like their skincare. So I'm a big fan of these. I just take them out of the boxes. Basically, the packaging is really, really nice. It's like nice and silver, like that range that I can't pronounce. La Prairie, I think it's La Prairie. And then the night one is like a dark blue kind of a jar. But yeah, basically my favorite like creams at the moment. Anyone coming out to Dubai to visit me, I always get them to bring me out a couple of these too, which I love. So yeah, I just feel like whenever I wear them, my skin loves them, first of all. Whenever I wear them, my foundation always looks well, and in the morning when I wake up, I find my skin nice and plumped, I suppose, from using the night one. So big fans of the Lacura range. Thank you, Aldi. And whoops. And thank you for pricing them so reasonable. Really appreciate that. So yeah, so that's basically the products. Now, moving on to one last thing which I love, which I've just bought, and which I thought I never would buy. I succumbed to the dad trainer, dad sneaker, ugly trainer, whatever they're called, whatever you want to call them, ugly runners trend. These are from Topshop. Now, what I love about these is, first of all, the colours. As you can see, there's like a lovely mustard, kind of pale pink, grey, suede. Disastrous if you wear them in the rain because they'll be destroyed, but they are so comfortable. Like when you wear them, you actually feel like you're really high, first of all, because they're a bit like Baby Spice, hello. And also, they're really like cushiony soles, so you just feel like you're kind of walking on air. Now I just love them with jeans, with little dresses, with anything really. I mean, with like kind of with jumpsuits, crop trousers. It's a trend that I thought, oh my god, I will never buy those. They are disgusting. Why would you want to wear trainers that look like, I don't know, a throwback from 1985 that your dad used to wear? And yeah, here I am now with them. But these Topshop ones, they're actually sold out in Ireland in the stores. I got these online. I'll link them below on the Topshop website. The UK one, the Irish one didn't have my size. So I got them through the UK site, but then I used Parcel Motel, which is amazing, by the way. Those of you in Dubai who use Shop and Ship, Parcel Motel is kind of like the equivalent in Ireland. So handy because I was able to get these and get them sent here. So yeah, these are my beautiful dad trainers, and I am going to enjoy wearing these loads. Also lovely for autumn because of the colours and mustard and, you know, beiges and all that kind of thing. So yeah, so that's basically my little kind of what I'm loving right now at the moment. Thank you so much for tuning in as usual, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. The link is below, and I'll be back again no doubt with another little video soon and get some use out of this camera if I figure out how to properly use it. But thank you as always for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.